You see me, I eat, sleep, shit, and talk rap. You see that 98 Mercedes on TV, I balled that. I had some felony charges, I fought that. Been sent to no return, but still was ball back. Nigga threw some slangs in me, water, I called that. I punished them the bitches before they could carjack. Now I'm looking for their family and partners to wall back. If I ain't a hot boy, then what do you call that? Niggas disrespect me, I'ma be in all black. Coming about some niggas about killing and all that. Decoy and Musty and Duck Dog. Riding top down, so we like the trucks pause. MMT riding 4 deep. I'm booted up at these niggas claiming they know me. Bitch, what? I'll bust your ass up. Don't even go there, Woody, cause I'm ready to mass up. I heard about the money, that's a nice change. For the right price, I'll bust the right brain. All the thing nigga try, I can do the right thing. Only God knows what the future might bring. Nigga might be shy, nigga might be trifling. Nigga might survive if he bout that right fling. With something that'll stop a nigga from playing. Something like a chop or a grenade in his hand. Boy, look, nigga don't play no games no more. Nigga will bust your head if you bang his hole. Attitude adjustment that y'all need for calling door enforcement. Nigga call me. I bet ya I get them niggas off the block. I bet ya I show them niggas this boy hot.